Here are the best 5 wireless security cameras of 2022. Reolink Argus 3 Pro is our top pick for wireless home security cameras, due to its convenience and flexibility. It shares similar features with Arlo Pro 4, our previous winner, including 2K video quality and a bright spotlight. There is, however, a smaller price tag associated with Reolink. Reolink offers more advanced features like motion zones and better smart home compatibility, but Arlo Pro 4 has more advanced features like motion zones and greater smart home compatibility. It makes a big difference when the best wireless security is implemented. With these small changes, check out our comparison tables and security camera reviews to see which cameras are really wireless, which ones can be used indoors and outdoors, and which ones feature smart features. Number 1, WiseCam V3. By adding outdoor capabilities, a built-in siren, and improved night vision to Wise's original sleeper hit, the WiseCam V3 improves on the original by allowing video to be streamed at a higher frame rate for smoother playback. Despite the V3's price bump shortly after release, it is still an amazing deal for a wireless camera of this quality. Among WiseCam V3's notable features is its night vision, which uses a starlight sensor and 2 types of infrared LEDs to produce color video. A new feature of this Wise camera is the ability to record videos at 20 frames per second (FPS) during the day, making live viewing and video playback smoother. In addition to Wise's free cloud storage, it also offers the ability to save small 12-second clips for up to 14 days. For those who want to record better video clips without buying a micro SD card, WiseCam Plus enables full-length video clips. Additionally, it is one of the cheapest plans available you'll find with any security camera company, just $2 a month or $15 annually. There are 3 compelling accessories for the V3: a window mount, a spotlight kit, and a floodlight mount. With the window mount, you can record video through a window, which is usually not possible with indoor cameras. By adding the LED spotlight kit, WiseCam V3 comes closer to Arlo Pro 4 in nighttime functionality, while the floodlight camera mount provides the best lighting experience. Having a power cord limits placement options, which is one of the few things we don't like. A special cord is required for outdoor operation, which makes matters worse. You can find out more about the best bargains in security cameras by reading our Wise Cameras review. Number 2, Arlo Pro 4. There is no other entry on our list that is compatible with more smart home platforms than the Arlo Pro 4. There are 4 features that it works with: Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. We still consider it to be one of our favorites, despite the fact that it is no longer our top pick. Reolink Argus 3 Pro takes top honors on our list mainly because of its price, something Arlo owned for years. You'll appreciate the Arlo Pro 4 if you want a battery-powered camera that's easy to set up, has multiple cameras, and delivers outstanding video quality. Featuring 2K video and infrared night vision, it records clear video any time of day. Arlo's app has a helpful tutorial that makes setup simple. It can be installed anywhere thanks to the magnetic wall mount. Despite having to pay for cloud video storage on the Arlo Pro 4, it's one of the more affordable subscriptions available. With Arlo 4, the biggest drawback of Arlo Pro 3 is fixed, as it no longer requires a base station, which was only available when buying 2 or more cameras. As a result, it's a more affordable choice, but still more expensive than most wireless cameras, including some Arlo cameras. Our top spot on the list is dominated by the Reolink Argus 3 Pro, which for many years held the top spot in the industry. Number 3, Yi Camera. You'll love the Yi 1080p indoor security camera, about $25, if you want to spend as little as possible on a security camera. It can even serve as an affordable Wi-Fi nanny cam if you need one in a pinch thanks to Yi's baby crying detection. Your phone will receive a notification when your little one sounds off and needs some attention. The ability to store unlimited files for free in the cloud is another great feature. Additionally, you can share access to the app with up to 5 people. If you're an Android user, however, watch out, there have been some reported issues with the app. Optional 24/7 emergency response service, Yi's motion alerts and live video feeds are equipped with the option to involve Noon Lights certified emergency dispatchers, who coordinate with police, fire, and EMS agencies on customers' behalf to ensure the situation is promptly handled. Smart AI detections. Yi Cloud Storage comes with the latest in smart AI capabilities which can distinguish person, vehicle, or animal accurately and reduce false alarms significantly. Subscription needed. Reliable Wi-Fi connectivity. Access your camera with Yi Home app on mobile device at any time, anywhere. Support for 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz currently not supported, Wi-Fi band cloud and local storage. Store all your footage using the Yi Cloud service, keeping it safe and available even if unfortunate events occur. For local storage, micro SD cards up to 64 GB are supported. Micro SD card not included. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 4. Blink Indoor. A camera brand owned by Amazon, Blink specializes in budget models. An attractive little camera called the Blink Indoor can be purchased for about $80. As a result of its indoor-only design, it is significantly less expensive than most other wire-free cameras. It has a battery life of up to 2 years, much longer than other models. As a result, a short clip is recorded every time the camera is unplugged, and the Wi-Fi is turned off when the camera is not in use. The Alexa Smart Display, like the Echo Show, can display a live view when connected to Alexa and Fire TV devices. Connecting a USB drive to the included sync module gives you access to local storage on the Blink Indoor. Additionally, there's a $3 monthly subscription for cloud storage, but it only stores about 2 hours of footage, compared to most brands. However, if you want an affordable wire-free indoor security camera to use with Alexa, you may want to consider the Blink Indoor. Number 5. Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24. It's easy to see why Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24 is the best indoor camera out there for the majority of people. It all comes down to excellent 2K video quality and a low price, allowing you to buy multiple cameras for the house. The integration with smart home devices is also a nice feature. Just like Wise, Eufy supports micro SD cards for storage of video locally. In other words, you don't need to pay anything after purchasing a memory card. A paid cloud storage plan is available for Eufy, but it doesn't add any features to the camera beyond storing your videos remotely, making Nest, Arlo, Ring, and Wise more appealing due to their added features and discounts. Compared to Arlo, our smart home pick, this is one of the most compatible options. It's great that it supports Apple HomeKit, which is less common than Google Home and Alexa options on most home security cameras. Eufy also supports those two platforms. The camera is indoor only, making it one of the few cameras in our lineup without weatherproofing. This model does not have a battery power option, although Eufy makes some excellent battery-powered models like the Eufy Cam 2C. Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24 is a budget-friendly indoor camera with outstanding video quality for Apple HomeKit enthusiasts.